Hey guys, happy May. Today is Wednesday, May 19th. Hope everybody is doing well, okay, and having fun, enjoying the warm weather if you're having warm weather. Trying to think, what am I getting ready to do today? I'm actually getting ready to go and take my bike to get some air in the back tire because I rode it the other day and she was like all the way on low. But yeah, so this is outfit of the day, y'all. Y'all, I'm wearing my new today. Do y'all remember these? Let's get in some real light because I don't know what's going on with that room back there. But yeah, I'm wearing my new shoes that y'all know she got these from the Crazy Bands. Y'all already know. I'll probably show y'all later the book. The book is done. I'm finished that. And yeah, I hope I can make it. Y'all, it's like 4:45 in the evening. And I'm just now getting with you guys. Y'all, I've been uploading every day for like months, so I can take a break. I just needed to take a little break for myself, some alone time for myself. Y'all know how I go. Yeah, so my new news. So here we go. Y'all already know. Y'all, I love these. Hold on. Can y'all see? I love the little wedge. Look at that. Let me let y'all see. Aren't they cute? Aren't those cute? Ooh. Nope. She has on no polish on her nails. No, ma'am. Not unless somebody said Target has natural nail polish. I don't want to wear nothing that's not natural on my toes. But guys, yes. I'll probably show y'all in another video. We got a tree for the back. I forgot what that's called. I forgot the name of the tree that's in the back. That thing that grows tall. And like I said, the book and whatever. I need to stop talking and get out of here because like I said, it's 4:45, trying to get air in my tire. I think the place closed at 5 o'clock or they could close at 5:30, I'm not sure. And this is hairstyle of the day, y'all. This is just her right now. This is what she's doing right now. It takes a while for it to get the way that I want it. I started to put her in a ponytail and then I said, got some on my nose. Then I said, nope. Sonya, just wear what you got and just wait and probably till tomorrow and then put in the ponytail. Because I did wash my hair again. No, wait a minute. I washed my hair whenever day it was. I can't remember. Y'all, I washed my hair then when I took the braids out. So I don't remember that day. Whatever day I posted on Instagram, that's the day that I took my hair out. So guys, I will see you all in a little while. Hey y'all, I got her in here as y'all can see. Hopefully she'll stay. But it was tough getting her in here, but she's in here and I'm headed to go get some air so I can attempt to ride my bike again this evening. Working on myself. I got me a smoothie, y'all. Spinach, pineapple. What else? Spinach, pineapple, mango, and strawberries. That's what's in my smoothie. Just trying to get back to how things were before. Just working on myself. But guys, yeah, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I am, and then I think later too, I'm probably gonna do some more little side work on the side. But in the meantime, in between time, I'll see you guys. I'm back. Guys, I had to use the bathroom. This smoothie ain't no joke. It make you have to go to the bathroom. And I need, oh my God, I had all of this. I put some orange juice in it just to finish it, but I put orange juice in here to finish it. However, I had a lot. It was filled up to the top, so. Then I finished it off with water, so you know how that goes. I had to really go. But I was able to do the bike, do what I had to do, and get home in enough time. Y'all look, it smells so good in here. Look at that steam coming out of there. Ooh, Lord. So yeah, let's go outside. I'll show you the bike, and then I'm probably gonna end this video because I don't have anything else going on today. So hopefully we're gonna ride the bike later this evening. It's like, I'm trying to think what's the temperature out here. It's probably like 85 here. It feels really good. But yeah, got good air in my tires. They stuffed. I don't know if y'all know, but I got lights. Y'all probably seen from last year. I got lights. I got a pink one and a green one. I'm gonna sit down for a minute, but guys, yeah, it's so nice outside. So let me get all this stuff off of here so I can sit down. But I'm gonna end this video, y'all, and what was I gonna say to you guys? Get out of here. That's the only thing I don't like when I get warm, the bugs. I'm gonna find a way to get a tarp or something put up over this thing. It's shade right now, but as you can see, it's shade all over. But yeah, we not hood, y'all. We got tennis shoes got washed, so got them drying. Got them drying for free. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. What was I gonna tell y'all? Oh, y'all thought I forgot. Love yourself so that you love others. And tea time of the day is faith over feelings. Bye, y'all. See you in the next video. Bye. Hey y'all. It's currently Tuesday afternoon, probably like 12:30. I'm getting my lunchtime workout on. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. If you have not did anything physical today, go and do it, okay? Because tomorrow's not promised, and really today ain't promised. But yeah, these are my my views that you see behind me. There's some traffic going on, but all in all, it's a beautiful day, y'all. She's making progress. 2 miles jogged. I'll see you guys later. Y'all see the hair? Y'all see the hair? Look at that ponytail. Y'all, I don't know about this these products because it just seemed like when I use Carol's daughter and stuff, I think it's good. But when I use certain things, it kind of like makes my hair kind of hard. Like, I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and use what I can of it until it's all gone, or maybe before it's all gone I can pass it on to somebody else. But I do believe in my heart that, yeah, I'm trying to watch it too. I do believe in my heart that some of that stuff is not good for your hair, depending on your hair texture. I will say that, but for the most part, that's what we rocking today, y'all. She got a ponytail with curls in it. I like. But guys, I don't want to have y'all all over the place. I'll see you guys once I get home. It is a really nice day here. It's like, yeah, I told y'all it was Tuesday. It is Thursday. I'm so sorry. And it's like 87 degrees. We got a breeze, but it's a beautiful day, y'all. I'll see you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. We're at home. Y'all, it's super, now we complain about it's too cool, but it is super warm. But I'm not gonna complain. However, I'm gonna make it do what it do. But anyway, I'm gonna go outside. I think I promised you guys once I got home, it's about 5:15, that I was gonna show you guys some updates. Y'all wanna see the book? Y'all wanna see the book? It looks so lovely. It looks so lovely. Okay, here is the book. Guys, look at that. I love it. I just wrote home decor on it because it just looks good to me. Look at that. How that come through with that bookend right there that I absolutely like. So that's how it looks there. So I'm going to add those, remember those pictures that were in here before? Sorry guys, I don't know what's going on with this camera. But the pictures that were hanging up here before that were on that shelf, I'm going to put them on the other side of the TV hanging this way. And then I might figure out something. I know I said I wanted a wall sconce, but I'm not too sure about that. And then tomorrow I might be hanging out with a friend for the bins tomorrow. I'm not 100%, but so far she said, what was that? I heard something fall, y'all. So far she say okay, so we'll see. But I'm gonna go outside and show you guys the plant for the backyard. But by the way, here I'm wearing my, you guys remember these super cute mustard shoes? Yes, with this top, very cool. But let's head outside real quick because I'm going to end this video for today. And I think I told y'all today is actually Thursday, May the 20th. I don't know why I said it was Tuesday. Oh, I see what failed. Hold on, y'all. This failed. This has to get stapled some kind of way to this. I don't know what's going on over there. But here is the plant, and I do have to water her. So hold on, I'm going to put y'all down, and then we're going to go water our abortive. She's right there, y'all. Isn't she pretty? So this is the abortive. Right here, and when I water her, because it says that we have to water her, it says, I'll put it in a second. It says she needs to be, she's low maintenance, but it needs a lot of light. It's going to grow 12 to 15 feet, guys. Space 23, 36 apart. Water 2 to 3 times per week until it's having. So I'm going to water her again because like I said, it's hot. Yeah, guys, I like her. So that's what she looks like, y'all. So she's new to the family, and hopefully she'll get as tall as they, hopefully she'll get as tall as they say. And so basically it's like when you're back here and you come out the back door, nobody can like really see you. So that's basically like going for that. So yeah, that is the plant. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was short for this Thursday, May 20th. I will see you in the next one. Y'all, I am loving my hair, like really. It's too hot for earrings. I can't do all that when it get hot. But guys, thanks for tuning in today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Friday. See you in the next video. Remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others and this world will be a much better place. And also remember, faith over fear. Bye, y'all. Bye. Look, it's still Thursday, May the 20th. I am so super excited. I happened to just go to the store. I went to go get some popcorn. My sister calls me long distance. Let me turn off my blanket. She calls me long distance. So I kind of was thrown off a little bit because we kept having like phone interference and stuff. And I looked at the plants and I'm like, okay, this is easy. Then I was like, I put it back. And then I sat in the car, can I go back? Y'all, she found her ZZ plant. Y'all, look at this. I found my ZZ. Guys, and guess what? She was only $6.50 or something like that. It came into like $7 or some change. Y'all, I'm super excited. And the funny thing is that I just put dirt inside that terracotta pot today. Actually today. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. So yeah, she got it. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's a beautiful Friday. It's August the 21st. I mean, no, May 21st, and then it's a beautiful day. It's gonna be like 90 degrees here in Ohio. We hot. But she's up. Gotta go get my coffee, guys. Outfit of the day. Y'all remember these big old culottes? Remember these pink ones? I'm just not wearing them. I got my shoes on from the bins. Everything from the bins except for this. But yeah, hold the line and let's go get the coffee. Coffee popping hot. It's popping hot. It's popping hot. So guys, tea time. It's gonna just be something really, really simple. I've been telling y'all for the last couple of days, okay? Faith over fear. Faith over feelings, okay? Have faith over whatever you feel, okay? Faith over feelings, all right? Hold the line, please. All right, y'all, I don't want to be too close up on y'all, but yeah, I'm on my way to pick up a friend. And we're gonna go to the bins. I think I told y'all that already, right? We're gonna go there, and y'all already know I'm not looking for nothing particular. If I find another black and white pillow for the couch in the front room, then I will get that. And then also, I'm looking for a comforter. I think I told y'all guys because we threw that other one away by mistake. I forgot about the tennis ball, so it would have to be like a duvet where you could put the quilt that we have inside of that comforter or whatever you want to call it. That and oh good, no train is coming. Oh, I hope I can make it through here. But that and what else? Oh, the round table for the back room would be nice. And yeah, so guys, I'm gonna bring you guys in there so y'all can see some of the stuff they might have and see like the situation with the I'm looking at my coffee, with the crowds, because I think, y'all let me know in the comments, have they lifted the mask situation? I don't like wearing my mask or nothing, but when you have large people like that, then that's a difference. But my sister told me yesterday that now where you go, you don't have to have your mask on. So I'm not really sure. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little while, y'all. I'm loving my pink outfit. I'm loving it. See you guys. Are we too bright? We might be a little bit too bright. Okay. Yeah, I love my pink outfit. I'll see you guys later. All these candles is $2.
Yeah.
That's a nice big old pillow on that picture. All this stuff. That's nice for $25. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. Can't move it, it's so heavy. Look at that, y'all. I did find something that I really like. I really did. Yeah, I found something. I'll tell y'all when I get home. Hey you guys, I have been back home. It is going on 7 o'clock in the evening, and I'm going to show y'all really quick what I hauled from the bins. So let's get started. As you can see, she scored her lovely bench, guys. $25, you can see. Still has the casing on it, the plastic on it. Brand new, $25, guys. $25. I'm so happy and excited. I will show you guys though in another video, in another vlog rather, where I put it, how I staged it on the patio. So yeah, that's what I got from the bins today. And I also picked up this Project 62 citronella candle for outdoor use only, and it's by like I said, Project 62. It has 5 wicks on it, which I absolutely love. 5 wicks. I'll show you guys. And I bought this inside because I'm gonna wipe this down. And I'm gonna keep this on top of it, but I wiped it down. But I can always use this for a bowl in the house if I want to. But guys, yes, this is so beautiful to me. So lovely. So yeah, these are the 2 items that I scored. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I really appreciate you being here. Let me just show y'all up close and personal how everything looks, and then we're gonna end this video for our Friday. So I got my cleaning stuff over here and my rag somewhere down here. I think it's down here. I'm going to wash this off real good, put it outside where it belongs. I'll probably keep this stuff on it for now, but I am going to wipe down the seat and the bars. And there's our new baby. Can't wait to be planted. So guys, I will see you guys in another vlog video. Guys, I love my outfit of the day. I absolutely love it. Got a lot of compliments today too. So yeah, if you guys want to see, let me see if I can put y'all down and show y'all real quick before we end this video. So let me stand back some more. So here are the pants, the wide leg pants, like so. And then here are my shoes. And you guys know my top. Yeah. So guys, I love you all. Thanks for tuning in today. I will see you in another video. Like I said, it's almost 7 o'clock. 5 minutes to 7 or something like that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to love yourself so that you can love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.